Hello friends, welcome to Trupti's Craft. As in my introductory video, I told you quilling is art of rolling paper strip, making different shapes and gluing them together to make beautiful things. So today I am going to show you few basic shapes. So let's take slotted tool and one paper strip. This tool has one slot, so push this strip inside the slot and just keep tiny bit strip outside and hold your thumb and next finger for support and roll it. Remember, these fingers are just for support. Don't press them and roll it very gently. Don't give a lot of pressure. If you give pressure, your coil will not open it properly. So just roll it gently. Now take tiny bit glue, put glue and glue it and hold it for few seconds. And as I told you, you can use any glue which dries clear. So this is your tight coil. So you can make tight coil with one strip or with lot of strips. Let me show you how to make this multicolor strip. Take one strip, then put tiny bit glue at the end and take another strip and glue it. Again hold it for a few seconds. Now I will show you how to use our homemade slotted tool. So let's just same thing, put this inside and roll it very gently. And hold your fingers like this for support. Now put tiny bit glue and then remove it. So your multicolor coil, tight coil is ready. If you see you have bumps here, don't worry, just put this on table, use your slotted tool and just roll it. Then you will have smooth tight coil. Now let's see another shape. It's called loose coil. Same thing. First you have to put strip inside the slot and roll it very gently. Now instead of gluing here, we are gonna remove it and put it on the table and let it open it. Now we are gonna take tiny bit glue, take coil on in your hand, put glue here and hold it. So this is your loose coil. So if you want to make same size loose coils, we are gonna use this circle sizer. Let me show you how we are gonna use this circle sizer. So let's roll one paper strip and decide which size coil you wanna make it and put it inside. Hold with your finger, take tiny bit glue and glue it. Hold here for a few seconds. So your loose coil is ready. So use this circle sizer to make same size coils. If you don't have this circle sizer, I told you to make something like this. You have to just draw circles. I will show you how you're gonna use this. Let's roll strip. Remove it, and now you are gonna put this on the paper and let it open. So this is my circle, so I'm gonna just hold it here and then again take glue and hold this like this. So your loose coil is ready. Now let's see one more shape. It's called ring coil. For this coil, you are gonna use any marker or any circular thing, and you have to wrap paper strip around it. So let's wrap one time and put glue, hold it, and then roll whole strip. You can use different shapes like blocks or any cap, whatever you have, and wrap it around to make that shape coil. Now put glue. So this is your ring coil. So today we learn tight coil, loose coil and ring coil. Now I am going to show you how to use them. With these coils you can make alphabet, flower, any character or any animal. You can make minion, you can make tree, lots of things. So today I am going to show you how to make these 4 things. I already rolled some coils and I am going to show you how to glue them. Let's start with flower. So I have 7 coils. So take some glue and glue one by one. Glue the coils one by one. If you want, you can draw your favorite character or a favorite shape on the paper and make these kind of coils, and you can put this inside that shape and make it your creation. So this is your flower. Just like that you can make your initial. Now let's see how to make this Mickey Mouse head. So I also made some coils already, so let's take them. Same thing. So this is my big coil, and for this same size coil I use circle sizer. So let's glue them. One here, one here. This is this is your Mickey Mouse. Now let's make caterpillar. So for caterpillar, let's make 5 or 6 green or any color coils, loose coils, and 2 coils, tight coils for eyes. For this one I use 1/4 strip of white and 1/4 strip of black, and I then rolled it. So let's make it. We are gonna glue these loose coils for the body. And let's glue these eyes. Let it dry so your caterpillar will be ready. So in today's video we saw how to make tight coil, loose coil and ring coil. So for our first and second day of challenge, you are going to make something like this. You can use tight coil, loose coil and ring coil and make something. You can also make this Olympic rings. So let's get rolling.